Hi guys, it's me. I was writing my email to the parents tonight and I was looking, and you're going to be doing some word work today. So I was going to review some letter sounds with you real quick. Okay, the passage you're going to read today is filled with short U sounds. So here's our good old sound spelling card, and U says like up. U says So these are the words that you're going to have to read today. So remember, when you look at them, you're going to take each part and blend them together. So this is b, s. Blend it together and you get bus. B, s, bus. Okay, then we got another word that's in the story. This one is, let's see what it is. What's R say? Ugh, rug. Blend the sounds together. Okay, now this one is a little bit tricky because it's a word you don't hear very much. It's like a little house. It's not house, though. It does start with a h, though. Hut. This one starts with a C, and C says k, k. Up, cup. Pigs like to roll in this. Let's see. D, mud. Then you have t, nut. Oh, this one has a capital G, so it must be a name. Let's see. G, s, Gus. And the last one. Z, Holmes. Okay, have fun reading today.